In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear cache on your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Cached files are just small files that are normally stored on your browser to enhance the performance. However, the accumulation of them might lead to your app or to your browser or any of the websites you visit to malfunction. So the best way to go about it is to go ahead and clear the cache data on your browser, and then this will solve most of the problems that you have with the websites or the apps you are visiting. To clear the cache data on your Chrome browser, just go ahead and tap on these three dots on the right corner, and then head down and tap on history. Now under history, you will see we have two options, history and grouped history. So tap on history, and this will go ahead and list all the browsing history that you have on your computer or on your browser. Now to delete the cache, look for the option called delete browsing data, which is on the left hand side, and then tap on it to continue, and this will open this box. Now from here we have three categories: browsing history, cookies, and other site data. And then you can see now we have cached image and files here. If we go ahead with this, it will free up less than 182 MBs. To delete cached files only, unselect the others and then remain with the cached files and images. Now go ahead and tap on the option called delete data, and this will go ahead and delete cache. So if we go ahead again and now tap on history and history here, then delete browser data, you can see we still have more. We have told now less than 172 MBs will be cleared, but this will take us through a long process. So if you want to delete all of these cached files, then we have to go to advanced and then choose the time range you want to delete the cache data. This is for the last hour, but if you tap under it, you can see we have the all time. So this will select the all time data or cache that you can delete. Now unselect the others and remain with the cache only and hit is, and then go ahead and tap on delete data. So I'll go ahead, and then this cached data will be deleted and the process is on. So be patient. Depending on the amount of cached file you have, it might take time. And here we go, it is done. So now if we go ahead and tap on history again, and then delete browser, now you can see we have no data because we have only less than 1 MB remaining, and this is the cache files for the steps that I've just taken while opening this page. So that's how we clear all the cached files or cache on your Chrome browser with ease. So if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.